How's everyone doing today? I am Cameron Meredith with ADU West Coast. Today we're going to go through some floor plans. I'm going to talk about different floor plans, why people use different floor plans in different scenarios. These are just some examples that our group, ADU West Coast here out of Seal Beach, some designs we've done in the past, some designs that we're working with currently. And obviously, if you're working under a, let's say a garage conversion, it's a pretty easy, 400 square feet, there's only so much you can do, but each property is different. So there might be different windows where you put in different areas, depending on structurally how that lays out. But again, we'll kind of go through each one. We'll go from smallest to largest. So we'll go through the smaller square footage first, and then we'll go all the way up to the 1,200 square feet, which is the largest ADU you could build. But we'll start here on this first page. Here's an example of an attached ADU. So in some of my other videos, I'm sure some of you have seen what an attached ADU is. Here's a perfect example right here. So imagine a single family home that has an existing part of the house. So if you're looking at the mouse here, let's say that that was a bedroom and a bedroom, and let's say maybe a room below, a den or something, an office space. We can convert this entire space into an ADU, an attached ADU. So that's what you see here. It's just kind of an example of that again, so you guys can see. But let's go to the first design here. So this is a 1-story, 400 square foot ADU. You can see it's more rectangular. So this is good for lots that are a little bit more skinny, where we can't fit that, oh my gosh, what am I trying to say? That square shape over there on the lot. So this is more customized to be a little longer lot, more of a rectangle shape. Again, there's only so much you can do with 400 square feet, so you can move this around a little bit. Here is more of your box-shaped 400 square foot ADU. Again, we can move this around kind of how we want. There's only so much you can do in that space there. Again, here's another 400 square foot, just a different design. 400 square feet, you can do either a 1-bedroom or a studio. So either or. Studio is a little bit more, it's going to feel more spacious, obviously. Here's another 1-story, 400 square foot square design. Just a different layout for that. You can see the windows here right next to the bed. That's the window marks, by the way. Here's the doors. There's your bathroom and kitchen. Again, there's just another simple design here. You got your kitchen here, bathroom entrance on that side, and then your 1-bedroom here. So you can see this is closed off as an extra, or excuse me, as a 1-bedroom there. See the difference here? In this one, it's open, and the other one's above, it was open, so that's a studio unit. So again, there's the 1-bedroom, just a sample layout for you. Here's an example of a 1-bedroom. That's a slider door that slides. Again, each design is going to be unique and different. Here's one that's 450 square feet. So this is a little bit bigger garage, or let's say that the garage you wanted to extend out a little bit, make a little bit more living space. This is a 450 square foot 1-story ADU there. Here's a 525. Again, this is more of a rectangular shaped. If you have a lot that would fit that, we could fit that on there. Also, we have seen people extend their garage out as well. From a 400 square feet, they can add, X amount. As long as it's 50% of the square footage of the main house, you can do that, which again, a lot of people do to expand their living square footage. Here's one that's more rectangular. You can kind of see that floor plan there. It's a 1-bedroom. Here's your bathroom here. There's your washer and dryer, your closet, kitchen, and then there's your open entertainment space. Now we're going up to 680. Again, here's a 1-story. This is more separated. You'll see it's separated between the laundry room here. You got your kitchen, your living room area. You got your half bath and a full bath here. So this has actually got one for your guest, which is nice. They don't have to go in your actual bathroom. So we're getting a little bit bigger. Here's a 2-bedroom, 1-story, 1,000 square foot ADU. Again, common to extend your garage out, but again, it has to be 50% of the square footage of the main. So your main house would have to be at least 2,000 square feet to get this 1,000 square foot ADU. You see the 2 bedrooms here. They both have their own bathrooms. This bathroom would be, for guests or people that would come over, and then this actually has their own private bathroom in here. It's a good layout there. And then you have your 2-story ADUs. These are common when you're limited on space. So if your backyard's not big enough, both for multifamily and single family, this applies. So there is a lot of multifamily lots where they have open space where this would work perfect. You can see this is a 2-story, 2 different 2-story plans. Let's look at option 1 first here. The first floor here, you have your bedroom, and then you'll see, excuse me, there's your kitchen area there, and then here's your bathroom and some more storage space right there. The second story, excuse me, there's your stairs. The second story comes up here, and then you have kitchen area with your bathroom here, and then same goes for this floor plan here. So these would be 2-bedroom ADU units here. Again, the largest you can build is 1,200 square feet. So here is going to be your 2-story, 1,200 square foot ADU. This is a 2-bedroom. So you can see down the first floor here, there's your entertainment area, living room, there's your kitchen, closet, bathroom down here for your guest, and then you have your stairs where your 2 bedrooms are up here with their own bathrooms. So you can kind of see that layout, again, which is nice if you want a little bit bigger space. Here's another 2-story, 2-bedroom. Again, this is more of a rectangular layout rather than a square. So we see the first floor here. There's your entrance, living room, kitchen, bathroom, and then here's your stairs where you come up, and you'll see there's a little loft area here with 1 bedroom here and then 1 bedroom here that share that bathroom. And then here's your 1-story, 3-bedroom ADU. 3 bedrooms is going to be nice if you can accommodate. It's going to be, better for your rent. So here is a 3-bedroom design. Again, you're going to have enough space in your backyard property to accommodate this. But I do like this design. You'll see here is the entrance, and then there's your kitchen, kind of dining room, living room area here. Here is one of the bathrooms. There is a bedroom here, which actually shares this his and her sink in this bathroom. And then this would be your quote unquote master with its own bathroom here with your little patio area. And then last one, we got a 2-story, 3-bedroom. The other 2 stories were 1-bedroom ADUs. So here we have a 2-story, 3-bedroom where you have your entrance here. You'll see there's some stairs up onto a porch. You have your dining room area here. We actually did this design in Covina. So we have, excuse me, not Covina, Rosemead. So we have actually built this before. And here's your bedroom downstairs. There's your bathroom. Your stairs come up. Again, you have your little loft area, and then your 2 bedrooms would share that there. But that's here we got, again, one more. It's very similar to the one that was above. And but instead of the bedroom downstairs, you have a bigger space down there, and all your bedrooms are actually going to be upstairs, which is nice. So your living, kind of kitchen, entertainment area downstairs with your bedrooms all up top. So that's pretty much it. Again, each property is different. We're going to have to customize your property somehow. But again, that's what we do. One thing about us is we do everything in-house, from the architectural plans, engineering, and then doing the construction on it. So feel free to give us a follow, subscribe below. We try to put out as many ADUs as possible. We do ADU development, not only construction on it, but we also locate ADU friendly properties. So If you guys are interested in these videos, interested in learning more about ADUs, again, feel free to subscribe down below, watch a lot of our videos, and also I will put links for our social media profiles. So feel free to share and join us, follow us on those, and we'll put out another video here shortly, guys. Thank you so much.